Rear-loading cameras like this Canon 814 often don't run the cartridges well. But with this hub adapter, they work great. So the problem is, these cartridges, the hub is slightly recessed and it prevents the rear-loading cameras always getting a reliable connection to that media. So with this little adapter, you can just drop with it's just friction fit straight in. Just stays in there all on its own, and this will prevent slippage inside your old Super 8 cameras. These are reusable, so after you've gone through and exposed your film, you can then take that off and apply it to your next cartridge. I don't know how many times you can use them, but I have used them a couple of times without any issue at all. There you go. That is all you need to do. And now it's ready to load into your camera.